less. And Jerry, it's such a better thing for my road. Better thing to sell on my road.
Yeah man, so a big accident on Highway 2000. We can see what go on. Big accident, you know. So we have to be careful on the road, my people. As you can see, a truck carry some steel and some ply. You can see where I'm going, you know. So now have to be careful, a lot of oil up on the road surface. You see truck and it's steel. Yeah, you can see you have oil and water up on the road surface. Yeah man, as you can see, the road kind of block off. Yeah man, the road kind of block off, you know. Yeah man, you can see what I go on. Road block off and thing. So I go on to the place, you see it?